Hello, let me show you how you can take macro photos on POCO X7 Pro. So let's head to the camera. And if you want to take macro photos, unfortunately there is no mode that specifically uses macro photos, that makes macro photos. So instead we need to use the built-in zoom of the camera in order to try to capture small objects. So as an example, you can use the default photo mode and then you can try to zoom in order to capture small objects. However, you need to keep in mind that you need to keep a distance between the object and the phone, and the camera must keep the distance long enough so that you don't lose the focus, because as you can see, if I try to keep it too close, the focus is gone. So most of the time you need to make sure that the distance is correct so that there is the focus. And the quality of the zoom is actually pretty good. You can use ×10 zoom, and the quality still will be pretty decent, as you can see over here, as long as, like I said, we are not too close, because otherwise we will lose the focus. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!